Okay, it's recording.
Go. Go.
He doesn't want it.
Go! You know you can...
Oh, ew.
Oh, I shat on me.
Yeah,
Go.
I said that.
Go. Come on. You don't want to go, do you? Don't. Do you want to go? No, you can go if you want. Give me a kiss. He pecks my face. Go. I think he... Don't.
Try to scare him to go away.
He'll leave when he's ready to go. I think he loves
Hey,
me.
put him
Right
down. Maybe
at
he'll
night.
like follow
put
us
him down.
around.
Put him on the ground and let's walk that way and see if he follows us.
Are those guys coming?
We'll just say it followed us if they ask.
Well, I'll be clearly holding it like
Dispose
this.
of the
Well,
evidence.
whatever. So he just came up.
No, I'll be clearly holding it like this, so, like, what are they gonna do? Like, let it go. I'm letting it go. Look at it. Like, it's happy. Don't.
Hitting him.
Do you not like that? No? You can go now.
Hey, put him on the ground. Keep going. Okay, let's walk. Let's see if he comes with us.
Come on. Come.